So we're beginning with the Einmarsch. We're going to march the couples out onto the dance floor to get into the ready position for the Sternpolka. And beginning the turnout to go straight into the plottler. From the plottler, the guys rotate to the right, the ladies begin weiterdrehen. The guys, as they get to their partner, immediately pick them up and go straight into a dreher. Not a Wadler waltz, it's a dreher, two-step in place. From there it goes to guys on the outside, girls to the inside, going clockwise with a reverse. From the reverse, it goes to a little window with the pinkies between the two partners. From the little window, it goes to a big window. From the big window to the turnout back into the plottler. And then it's a rinse and repeat. After the third plottler, after the guys pick up their partners and go into the dreher, it goes directly into the Schlussfigure at the end of the dreher sequence. Schlussfigure!